How to make Instagram account private. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different icons. Click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Once you land to your profile page, at the top right corner you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Different options will appear. Click on the option settings and privacy. Now in this page you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Under who can see your content, you will find the option of account privacy. Open this option. You will see the option private account. You have to toggle on for this option to make your Instagram account private. When you switch to your private account, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can message, tag or mention you, but you won't be able to tag people who don't follow you. No one can reuse your content. All reels, posts and stories that previously used your content in features such as remixes, sequences, templates or stickers will be deleted. If you switch back to a public account within 24 hours, they will be restored. Click on switch to private. With that, you have just made your Instagram account private. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.